Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16, playing with numbers. In these chapters we play with numbers. How to play with numbers? Let's see in this exercise 16.1. 16.1 question number 1. Question number 1 है find the value of letter in each of the following and give the reasons for the step involved. Here the question number 1 is there. 3a plus 2 5, this is 25, is equal to b2, where letter a and letter b is a digit. We need to find value of a and the value of b. Okay, so if you add this is digit, you know digit very well. How many digit here? So you can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are digits. Okay, so the value of a may be 1, may be 0, may be 2, 3 or 4, maybe 5 or 6, maybe 7, 8 or 9, maybe. Okay, so here this question just told us that if you plus 5 in a, then you obtain 2. So here you can see it is possible that if you add some digit, any digit up here, you can see any digit in 5, then it is equal to 2. This is possible. So you actually you can see this is not possible. If any digit you add in 5, then it's become 2. No, because this is a digits. Okay, so suppose minimum digits is 0. If you take 0 plus 5, then it becomes 5. Okay, it not becomes 2. Okay, and the unit, if you take this unit place digits, okay, a plus 5 is equal to 2. Okay, a plus 5, a plus 5, this is equal to 2. This is possible? No, this is not possible. So what is 2? 2, this is not true. This is a 12. Okay, what is this? This becomes 12. This is possible if you any numbers you add to 5, then this is equal to 12. Then you can find that numbers. Okay, but anybody told you if any number you add in 5, okay, because you know very well 5 is greater than 2. If you add any digits to 5, then it becomes greater than 2. Okay, it becomes greater than 2, not equal to 2. Okay, so a plus 5, this is equal to 2. This is not possible. Clear? This is not possible. So we can say this is not true. This is a 12. What is this? This is a 12. So if a plus 5 is equal to 12, it means that here one carry, here this is one carry, then here we have 2. A plus 5 is equal to 12, 12 here we add 2 and carry here 1. Clear? So this becomes only 2. So here suppose a plus 5, this is equal to 12, or you can say if you transposing 5 to right hand sides, then this is equal to 12 plus 12 minus 5, or you can say a is equal to 7. Okay, if you replace a by 7, okay, then we obtain here 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So here add here 2, carry 1. Now what is the value of letter B for this? Here you can see this is 3 plus 2 5 and 1 carry 6. So you can see here the value of B is equal to 6. What is the value of B? is equal to 6. How can you find it? First we find the value of a. So how we find value of a? If we add a plus 5, this is equal to 2. Okay? If we add a plus 5, then the result will be 2. Okay? If we add a plus 5, a is any digit, maybe 0 to 9, any digit maybe. So maximum value of a is 9 and the minimum value of a is 2. This is clear. So if you add a plus 5, this gives 2. So here you can see a plus 5 this gives 2. So for this, and even variable 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2, and if you add any digits to 5, this is equal to 5 or greater than 5. This is not equal to 2. So here this is clear and this is not a 2. This is 12. If you take maximum value, maximum digit, what is the maximum digit? 9. 9 is the maximum digit. So if you add 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, this is equal to 14. Okay, not 2. Okay, so this means that the value here, this is not 2, actual here a plus 5 is equal to 12. Clear? A plus 5 is equal to 12. So we transposing this 5 to left hand side, then it becomes, and then it become minus. So you can write here a is equal to 12 minus 5. Okay, so this is equal to 12 minus 5, or you can say a is equal to 7. Clear? Okay, so a is equal to 7. So your question becomes, we replace this is 7 and here 5, this is 3, this is 2 and plus 10. If you plus them, 7 plus 5, this is 12, carry 2, and here write 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5, 1, this is equal to 6. Okay, so here you can see this replace b. Okay, so a is equal to what? Nothing but 7, and b is equal to 6. So I hope all of you understood how to find the value of letter A and the value of letter B. Okay, again we want to discuss here, if you add any numbers in 5, then any digits, A and B are digits, letter A and B are digits. Okay, so you know very well what is digits. We have digits start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If any digit we add to 5, then we obtain the result will be greater than 2, not 2. Okay, because 5 is greater than 2, so how it is possible if you add any digit to 5, it becomes 2. Okay, so actually this is not 2, this is 12. Okay, so 12 here, so carry here you write 1. So suppose a plus 5 is equal to 12. It means that what is the value of 5? A value of a is equal to 7. Okay, if you add 7 plus 5, this is equal to 2. Okay, and carry here 1. Here after this we find the value of a is 7. It means that 7 replace a. Okay, and here you can see the 3 plus 2 and plus 1, this is equal to 6. So this place is we write 6. It means that we replaced by 6. So value of a is equal to 7 and the value of b is equal to 6. So here we replace a by 7 and b by 6. Then we obtain 7 plus 5. This is equal to 2, and 3 plus 2, this is 5, and carry 1, this is equal to 6. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Okay, and now we are going to discuss second question. Second question is that 4a plus 9a 98, this is equal to cb and 3. So let's see how to solve question number 2 of this exercise 16.1 chapter playing with numbers. So I hope all can enjoy to play with these numbers. You can see here a plus 5, this is given to, and but we find the value of a. What is the value of a? How can we find the value of a and b? You can see here we discussed. Okay, so similarly we find the value of ABC in question number 2. So let's see what is the question number 2 and how we find the value of A, letter of B, value of C in these questions. Okay, so wait 1 minute please. This is question number 2. 4. This is 4. This is A. This is the digit A, digit 4. Okay, not number. This is digit 4. This is digit A. If you add something, becomes a numbers. Okay, and plus 98. 98. Okay, and the result will be C B 3. Okay, so you can see here A, B, C. Here you need to find the value of A, value of B, and value of C. What is the value of A, B, C? It may be 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. Any digit may be the value of A, value of B, and value of C. Okay. So here you can see A plus 8. This is equal to 3. This is given here. So you think 8 is greater than 3. Okay, 8 is greater than 3. If any digit we add to 8, it becomes greater than 3, not 3. Okay, this is clear. 8 is always greater than 3. Okay, if any numbers you add to 8, then it's equal to not 3. This is always greater than 3. If you take A plus 8, this is never, or you can does not is equal to 3. Okay, if you take 0, the value of A is 0. 0 plus 8 is equal to 0, but this is not equal to 3. It means that this is not 3. So what is this? It may be 13. Okay, you can take the maximum value of A. What is the maximum digit of A? 9. The maximum value of A is 9. You can take, and the minimum value of A is 0. So if you plus 0 to 8, you obtain 8, not 3. And if you take the value of maximum value of A is 9 and add them 8 to this is equal to 70. This is not equal to 3. It means that this is not 3. This is 13. What is this? This is 13. Okay, so we can write here A plus 8 is equal to, this is not 3, this is 13. Okay, so as you understood that if what number you add to 8, then it becomes 13. Tell. Obviously you can say if you transposing this 8 to right hand side, then you obtain the value of it. Clear? So A this is equal to 13 minus 8, or you can say this is equal to what? If you subtract 8 from 13, so then we find the result nothing but 5. Okay, so it means that this is equal to 5. Clear? Okay, now then if here 13, it means that he gives 1 carry here. Okay, so here you find A is equal to 5. What is A? A is 5. So 5 plus 8, this is 13. 13 we write here 3 and carry 1 here. Okay, now this is 9, this is 4, this is plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9. what is this? This becomes 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. It means that we write here 14. So 14 means here 1, here 4. So you can see here the value of C is 1, the value of B is 4, and the value of A is 5. So let's see. We can write it its original form. So here we find this is 4, this is 8, we find 5, and this is 8, this is 9, and here we find carry 1. So 5 plus 8, this is equal to 13, carry 1, 4 plus 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 9, this is equal to 14. Clear? This is equal to 14. Okay. So you can see this is the place of A replaced by 5, B replaced by 4, and C replaced by 1. In this way, we find the letter. We find the value of letter A. Value of letter A is equal to what? Nothing but 5. Value of letter B is equal to what? 4. B is equal to 4. The value of letter C is equal to 1. Clear? So student, in this question this is given that A plus 4A plus 98, this is 98, and here this is A is what? A is any digit. Okay, the number, you know what is digit. Okay, digit starts to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is digit, and the value of A may be 0 or 9, whatever. So how can you find it? If here it means that A plus 8. A plus 8 is, this is equal to 3 here gives. So, but we know that 8 is greater than 3. If any digits, you suppose 0. If you add 0 to 8, then we obtain 8, and 8 is always greater than 3. So 8 is how it is possible that if any digit you add to 8, it becomes 3. Okay, it means that this is not 3. So what is this? This is 13. Okay, this is 13. So here if you add 8 plus A plus 8, this is equal to 13. This is not 3 because he gives one carry here. Okay, so here you can see that A plus 8, this is equal to 3, not 3, this is a 13. Okay, so here you find the value of A, 13 minus 8, or you can see A is 5. Okay, so in this way you put here A replaced by 5. Okay, so 5 plus 8, this is 13. Now again 13 carry 1, here 4, 5, 4, 5, 9, 4, 1, 5, 5 plus 9, this is 14. So you can see here, and this is CB3, here the 3, 4, 1. It means that B replaced by 4 and C replaced by what? C replaced by 1. So here you can see the value of, in this way you find, and the value of A is 5, value of B is 4, and the value of C is 1. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 3. In these questions we have 1A into A, this is equal to 9A. So here we need to find the value of A. It means this letter of A. So which letters we multiply, then we obtain that letters. So you can say 0, if you multiply 0 by 0, then obtain will be 0. And you can also say if you multiply 5 by 5, then you obtain at the unit place digit is 5. Also you can say if you multiply 6 by 6, then you obtain at unit place is 6. Okay, so a lot of possibility to the replace A, but let's see how to solve these questions. Question number 3. Question number 3 is this is 3, 1, a multiplied by a, okay, and result is 9. Clear? So what is the possible digit? If you multiply digit to itself, then we obtain that digit. So here we discussed already that this digit may be 6 or 5 or 0. Okay. So if one time take 0, 0 into 0, this is equal to 0. Okay. But 0 into 1, this is not equal to 9. Okay. So a is equal to 0 is not possible. So now we take a is equal to 5. If we take a is equal to 5, so 5 into 5, 25. Here 5 carry 2. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, what? 5 plus 2 is this is equal to 7. But here this is not 7. So how we find? Next option is 6. If we take 6, okay, only 3 digits that we multiply, their unit place digit is that digits. Okay. For example, 0, if you multiply 0 by 0, then you obtain 0. Okay. And if here you can see a into a into a, then we obtain a. It means that if you multiply 2-digit number by itself, then the result is that numbers, that digit. Okay. If you take 2, so 2 into 2, it means it becomes 4. So result is not 2 now. So this is not correct answer, not value of a. If you take 1, so 1 is 1, good. 1 into 1, this is equal to 1, this is clear. But here 1 into 1, this is equal to 1, but here this gives 9. So 1 is not answer. Okay. So you will use 1, 0. If you take 4, 4 into 4, 16, but here we need to a means 4. So this is the value of a is not 4. So we take the a is 6. If we take with 6, so 6 into 6, this is equal to 36. So here you write 6. Here we take 6, a is equal to 6, and again there is equal to 6, is equal to 6. 6 into 6, 36. You write here 6 and here carry 3. Here 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. This is correct answer. The value of a here 6. Clear? How to find it? So here you can write if a 1, here replaced by 6 into, this is also 6, and 6 into 6, 36, carry 3, 6 1 is 6 plus 3, this is equal to 9. So I hope all of you understood this question. Question number 3, this is a case of multiplication, and here we use try and error method to find this value of a of these questions. Here we use which method? Try and error method, because we know that the digit is 1 to 9, only 3 digits, such that if we multiply itself, they obtain that digit such as 0, 1, 6 and 5. Okay. So here we first time takes 0, so we obtain 0, but the next digit, 10th digit is not found. So for this we reject the a is equal to 0. Okay. Again we take a is equal to 1. Again the 10th digit is not find satisfies the a is equal to 1. So now we reject again a is equal to 1. If we take 5, a is equal to 5. So we nearest we reach to near 9, but not equal to 9. So again the 10th digit is not satisfied by the value of a is equal to 5. So again we remove this value of a is equal to 5. Again we take what we take? We take a is equal to 6. So here you can see, if you take 6 into 6, this is equal to 36. Okay, and carry 3. Again 6 into 1, this is equal to 6 plus 3, carry is 3. So 6 plus 3, this is equal to 9. So you can see the value of 8, value of a is equal to 9, value of a is equal to 6. So student, I hope all of you understood this questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. What is the next question? Question number 4. So let's see what is question number 4. So what is the next question? Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 है AB plus 37. This is equal to 6A. So let's see how to find the value of A and B in question number 4. This is given A, this is digit A, this is digit B, again this is plus 3 and 7, and this is equal to 6 and this is equal to A. Okay, so here we need to find the value of A and the value of B. Okay, so how we find value of A? Look here, if you take A plus 3, this is equal to 6. Suppose we take A plus 3, digit A plus digit 3, this is equal to 6. Okay, so here we will take A plus 3, this is equal to 6. Okay, it means that A is equal to what? Nothing but we write here 6 minus 3, or you can say A is equal to, okay, this is the value of A is equal to 3. If you put here 3, okay, if you put here 3, A is equal to 3, clear? So this is possible if you add any digit, if you add any digit in 7, this it's become 3? No, never. So it means that this is 13. You can see this is 13. So if you add 5, B plus 7, this is equal to 13, or you can say B plus 7, B plus 7, this is equal to 13. It means that B is equal to nothing but 13 minus 7, this is equal to 6, according to these situations. Okay, so B is equal to 6. If B is equal to 6 here, suppose B is equal to 6 here, so 6 plus 7, this is equal to 13. Okay, so 13 here 3, carry over here 1. Okay, so the value of A is 3, here 3, and here 3, 3 is 6 plus 1, so this number is not satisfied. Okay, the tens place value, this is not satisfied by the value of A. So for this we take the value of A is nothing but 2. Okay, so you can write here the value of A is not 2. So what is the value of A? The value of A is 2. The value of A is 2. So here if you B plus 7, this is equal to 2. It is possible? No, this is not possible. This is not 2. So what is this? B plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, B plus 7 is equal to 12. So you can say B is equal to 12 minus 7, or you can write here B is equal to 5. So here if you write B is equal to 5, then you have find 5 plus 7, this is equal to 12. You write here 2 and here 1. So here you obtain the value of A is what? Here you obtain the value of A is 2. So here also 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 6. So you can see here the value of A is equal to 2 and the value of B is equal to 5. So you can replace here this question like this. This is value of A, this is value of B, 3, 7, now plus 5 plus 7, this is equal to 2, and carry 1, and 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Okay, so in this case you can see the tens place digit is satisfied. Okay, if the value of a is equal to 2 and the value of a b is equal to 5. So in this way we find the value of a is equal to 2 and the value of b is equal to 5. So student, I hope all of you understood this question number 4 of exercise section point 1, chapter playing with numbers. So I think it is enough for today. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.